Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about launching the game Roblox. You got an error, disconnect from the game, please reconnect with error code 280. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and right click proceed with the resolution. Right click on start menu, choose option run. Type a percentage, local app data percentage, and then hit the enter key. Now right in this address bar, click your cursor, right click and copy the address. Now click on start menu, type CMD and choose the option run as administrator. Now type here cd space the path that you have just copied by pressing the Ctrl plus V key and then hit the enter key. Now type here rmdir space /s space Roblox and then hit the enter key. Now type in y and then hit the enter key again. This will go ahead and delete the Roblox files from your system. After doing so, open up your web browser and download the Roblox app into your system. Save it into your PC. Once it is saved, go ahead and relaunch it. After relaunching, this will go ahead and reinstall Roblox into your PC and in turn completely fix out the issue of disconnect from the game. Please reconnect with error code 28. However, if this method failed to work out, in next step, click on start menu, type CMD, choose the option run as administrator again. Type here few commands one by one. First one is netsh int ip reset and hit the enter key. Next one is netsh winsock reset and hit enter key. So the command is netsh winsock reset. And thirdly is ipconfig space / release. Fourthly is ipconfig space / renew. And lastly is ipconfig space / flushdns and hit the enter key. That's all you have to do. After doing these commands, make sure to restart your PC and then relaunch your Roblox game and in turn completely fix out the issue of disconnected from the game with error code 280 while playing the Roblox game. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.